Okay, today we got a 2010 Dodge Dakota. The Dakota is going to take one of two kits. The 2010 Dakota is going to take one of two kits, either the 250-9008 or the 250-9001. In this case, we're looking at the knockouts that are to the left and right of the wheel. And you can see they're a little bit discolored, so this one's going to take the 9008. So the first thing we want to do is disconnect the battery. Once we have the battery disconnected, then we'll just want to turn the wheel to access two 10mm nuts that are on the back side of the wheel. And I'll show you a picture of what that looks like from the back side. And that's the access hole for one of the 10mm nuts there. So once those are removed, then the horn pad airbag is just going to come forward, and you really even need to disconnect that. You can just let it hang there. And then you'll see our switch cover. It's got a Phillips screw holding it in, and we'll just remove that. And on the back side of that switch cover, there's going to be the original equipment crew switch wiring, and you just pop that off of there. And then you'll get the appropriate switch. The 9008 comes with two switches, a left and a right. And you're just going to plug that in, set it in its place, and then screw it back into place. It'll just be the same single Phillips screw. And then once you get that one in there nice and snug, then you can move over to the left side. And basically the same procedure. You got one Phillips screw, and you're going to pop that out, and on the back side of it there's going to be the original equipment wiring plugged into the little cavity. And once that's in there, then you can just put the airbag back into place and then secure it from behind with the two 10mm nuts. And then you should be all set. And that was a 2010 Dodge Dakota, and that's probably going to work for you for the Ram as well, as long as you have the knockouts to the left and to the right of the wheel. If you do not have those knockouts, then it's going to require the 250-9001 kit.